Hey guys, Jason here from Usable Smoke Productions, and in today's video we're going to show you a follow-up to a previous video of how to clean up your mixes in Logic Pro. So I have here a final mix for a song that I've been working on, getting it ready for release. It's called Shades, and as you can see here I've got it highlighted, and the file size presently is 5.53 gigabytes. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on this. I'm going to open it up, and it'll take just a moment to load. And I'll show you once the project is open exactly how we can clean it up so that we can avoid any kind of issues with the CPU processing, any kind of issues with plugins not loading properly and so forth. Okay, so what I'm going to show you really quick is I have showed in the previous video how to use your browser's window to do this. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my browser window up here on the top right. And as you can see, it pulls up all of the waveforms from your project. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and select the Edit button, and I'm going to select Unused. So what this will do is this will highlight any part of my project that has been cut out, redundant, blank audio, and so forth like that. Okay, so as you can see, as your project nears completion, if you don't periodically do this, you can see that it really starts to add up. Okay, so there's quite a bit here that we want to make sure that we get rid of. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and just select the Delete button. Delete. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my File menu here, and I'm going to go to Project Management, and I'm going to select Clean Up. So we'll go ahead and do that. It'll ask, do we want to clean up, delete the unused files, delete the backups, delete the media browser files. We're just going to click OK. And it will ask you to verify, do we want to, delete all of this, right? So we're going to go ahead and say OK. All right, so now if we go back to our browser's window here, we go to Edit, we go to Select Unused, you'll see that it doesn't select anything. All of those redundant waveforms are now gone. All right, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and save my copy as, just save a copy of this so we can do a comparison. Okay, so I'm going to call this Shades Final Mix Clean. All right, I'm going to go ahead and click Save. All right, it's copying the audio files to a new file. I'm going to go ahead and exit out of this. Okay, I'm not going to save the original version. And now, when I go to open up my Logic projects, let's go ahead and do this. Open. We'll open up this menu again. So what we'll be able to see now is we went from 5.53 gigabytes of information, and now we're down to 3.65. So this really does help out with hard drive storage. Also, again, I mentioned, if plugins fail to load properly, or there's issues that you're starting to encounter with, your resources, system resources, and system overload. This is a really good way to hopefully reduce some of those issues that you might be experiencing. Okay, so just a quick video. Again, I hope you found it helpful. Hopefully that, through my trial and error and figuring out some of this stuff, that it's useful and helpful to you. If it is, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Until next time, guys, happy music making. Take care. Bye-bye.